crude oil daily forecast, January 17th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude market had a fairly positive session on Wednesday as the risk on attitude came back into the marketplace. We are currently hovering around the $95 level, though, an area that we have pegged as being fairly resistive. Because of this, it's hard to tell whether or not the market will actually continue higher, but a few clues may be found in some previous sessions. After all, we've seen some pretty significant hammers print lately, and as such, it definitely looks like the upward pressure continues in this marketplace. Because of this, we're looking for a nice strong candle to close well above the $95 level. And at that point in time, we fully expect the market to run back up to at least 98, if not $100. The only reason we are a little bit hesitant because the demand isn't quite there yet, but economic numbers in places like China are starting to come out a little bit better. And let us not forget the Fed continues to weaken the U.S. dollar, and as a result, commodities priced in U.S. dollars should rise over time. Looking at the Brent market, though, you can see that it has actually been fairly flat during the session. Matter of fact, you can't even see the candle; it's so flat. But we definitely have an area here that we can call support, and we'll call it at 109.50. That area, if we break down, we just think that we'll head back down to the 106 area as it is a continuation of the recent consolidation that we've seen. And that move makes sense. We really don't have an argument to buy until we break above the 113 level. We get above there, then it's a whole different story. We figure probably 116's in play. But right now, it looks like we're trying to break down a little bit and perhaps shrink the spread a little bit between WTI, light sweet crude, and Brent as well. But a breakdown below this area here should open the door for return back towards the bottom of the consolidation. It's got a slightly upward bias. We may not quite make 106, but definitely probably 107 would be a relatively reasonable target at that point.